In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Steam error 29 quickly and safely so you can get back to your games without frustration. This is a common issue that usually happens due to corrupted cache or configuration problems, but don't worry because the fix is actually very simple if you follow along step by step. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we need to completely close Steam. And I don't just mean clicking the X button, because sometimes Steam keeps running in the background. So what you want to do is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of processes and find anything that says Steam or Steam.exe. When you find it, click on it and then hit End Task. Make sure you close every single Steam-related process so nothing is left running. Next, we're going to reset Steam's configuration. This step is very important for fixing error 29. Press Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type steam://flushconfig and then press Enter. You may see a small prompt pop up. Just click OK to confirm. What this does is clear out any broken configuration files that could be causing the error. After that, go ahead and restart your computer. This ensures that all the changes take effect properly and clears out any remaining background issues. Once your system boots back up, open Steam again just like you normally would. When Steam launches, you'll need to sign back into your account. This is normal because we reset the configuration earlier. Go ahead and enter your login details, and once you're in, Steam should now be working without error 29, and that's it. You've successfully fixed Steam error 29. As you can see, it's a quick process once you know where to look. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.